Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we're talking about the Coleman Fold & Go 1-burner propane grill, which we consider to be the best Coleman portable barbecue grill. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a tailgate party, or just a small backyard barbecue, this compact grill has you covered. One of the standout features of the Coleman Fold & Go is its incredible portability. This grill folds up into a compact, briefcase-sized unit with a built-in handle, making it easy to carry and store. Despite its small size, the cooking surface offers 105 square inches of grilling space, which is ample for preparing meals for a small group of people. The grill is powered by a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, and with 6,000 BTUs of heating power, it provides a steady and reliable heat source. The adjustable horseshoe burner gives you precise temperature control, ensuring that your food is cooked just the way you like it. Whether you're grilling burgers, vegetables, or even some fresh fish, you can count on even heating every time. Lighting up the grill is effortless thanks to the InstaStart push-button ignition, so you won't need matches or a lighter. This is a huge convenience, especially when you're in the middle of a campsite or at a tailgate event. The grill's easy-to-use features don't end there. It comes with a removable, dishwasher-safe cooking surface and grease tray for easy cleanup. After cooking, simply detach the components and clean them without hassle. Durability is another important aspect. Coleman's Perfect Flow technology keeps the heat steady across the grill's surface, even in varying weather conditions. This ensures that you have consistent cooking results, whether it's a calm day or a windy afternoon. The Coleman Fold & Go grill isn't just about practicality, it's about quality cooking experiences on the go. Its lightweight design and impressive features make it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures, whether you're hosting a barbecue in the backyard or grilling at a festival. If you're in the market for a portable, reliable, and easy-to-use grill, the Coleman Fold & Go 1-burner propane grill should be at the top of your list. Make sure to check out the link below to learn more and grab yours today. Thanks for watching Product Critique.